Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to create this Zoom virtual background that you can use in your Zoom call. So I'm just assuming that there are teachers out there that want to make this make a creative background for themselves as we head back to school, and you can use this for yourself. So this guy would technically be you and where you would be sitting. So this is easy and simple to do. Let's go. Okay, we're back. So to start, what we're going to do is choose a template that's created for Zoom. And one of the great features of Canva is that you can create this very easily. And of course, they give you templates to work with. So if I type in Zoom virtual background, it comes right up and we're able to just work with a background. So, you know, Zoom showing off as they always do, provide templates that you could possibly just start off with. Maybe you just want a regular background, but what I'm going for, and I hope you are too, is something that's unique to you and something that's creative and that we're going to create on our own. And again, in my past videos, I've been telling you if you want Canva for yourself or you're thinking of signing up, before you even make that decision, you get a free trial with Canva. The link is in my description. You can try it out for free. So why not just do it and use it to create this background that we're going to do right now. So let's continue. Next, we're going to hit the blank template to start from scratch as we're doing our own thing. So I'm going to call it Zoom virtual background. There we go. That's that. So next, we're going to make the background yellow as I had in my previous one, but you can make your background whatever color you like. So what's great with Canva is that you can start off with one of the default colors, or you can choose a color for yourself. And of course, I mean, if you've ever watched anything I've made with Canva, I have no idea what this code is and I've not learned yet. If you know what that code is, please comment and tell me so I can do the right thing in future videos. But you're able to, if you know what that code is, to put that number in and get exactly what you want, or just pick around and choose and see what works for you. But for now, I'm just going to go with the yellow in the default colors. Next, I'm going to bring that chalkboard in, and what's great with Canva is in the elements section, you get so many different elements that you're able to work with. Thousands possibly in my head, I'm thinking, because Canva has this unlimited library in the Pro feature, and it's definitely something worth investing in if you're going to create content a lot. So I'm going to choose chalkboard. Now let's go with this chalkboard here. It's very similar. It's pretty cool, and what I like is that it keeps me. In mine, I created a little duster, and now I realize I did not have to be so fancy. So I'm going to put this up here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to go back to elements here, type square. And we're going to create what I'm going to call a safe area to work in. Just basically where you would fall in the screen. And I'm just kind of estimating here. So even if, you know, things will be behind you, and that's okay. I just want to make sure that when we put text in, that we're not cutting out too much text and people won't be able to see what we're doing. So the next thing I did was to bring some texture, and I'm going to go here in elements and literally just type texture. That's how great Canva is. So the one I used was this. I kind of liked what it was doing for the background. Looked kind of cool to me. But you're able to choose out of this lovely library, as I said. Maybe you want a different pattern that works for you. Go crazy, go nuts. But for me, I went with this and I made it white. And to save me some time, I'm trying to create a whole wall with it. I just duplicate. So you click the element, come here to the right, hit duplicate, and there you go. So now I'm just going to bring it down below here and just kind of make it a different color so it stands out. And I'm just going to keep doing this for a bit. So don't worry, I'll speed this up. Okay, so there we go. But you notice right now I'm getting some of the lines over the chalkboard, and we don't want to do that. But of course, Canva makes it easy, and it's a simple fix. We're going to hit the element, hit position, and put backward. And we're just gonna keep clicking that until it goes behind the chalkboard. And there you go. So I'm just gonna keep doing that for the elements that are in front of the chalkboard. It's behind, this is all behind. So great, so there's nothing blocking our view. The next thing I was thinking of is you're in a classroom, you might as well put a clock on the wall so we know the time. And of course the time won't be perfect, but again, Canva gives you multiple wall clocks that you're able to use here. And type of wall clock just to try and find the option I used. I don't know if you want to be particular and go with the exact time, but I just like this one. It just kind of flowed with what I was doing before and it worked. So there we go. We have the wall clock going on, and what I did too was add some text to the chalkboard and basically, you know, welcome the students back to school because, you know, we all love school. So what I did was go here to the text side, hit the template that you want to work with, which there are many, and I just went with add a heading because I kind of like to work with the templates that I'm used to. Because I kind of like to work with specific fonts. So one of my favorites here is a Zing Rust Base. I don't know where Canva comes up with these names, but it works for me. So I'm going to hit welcome back. And you know, you make it fun, make it your own. You're literally able to do anything you want because you are able to customize. I also went to elements and added an emoji because hey, it's fun and you know, we're trying to bring some joy to the to the students returning to school. And I guess depending on your personality, you make whatever works for you. Next, I kind of just added a, you know, topic I was used to. I went with geography. And to make it even cooler, I add a map. And again, really, it's really up to you to do what you want to do. Make it your own, be creative, and really create something that's awesome. And Canva makes it so easy to do. And I guess finally what I did was create a little name label. You know, like maybe you're a new teacher and you're introducing yourself to, or people are trying to remember your last name. So it's a good way to kind of have your name there and out of the way. So what I did was to bring in this square so it's next to you. I'm pretty sure you won't be blocking it out right there. And of course, I always take the shortcut and duplicate. Bring the text over here. I had Mr. Davis. And yeah. There you go. What I did too was kind of add another element because honestly, there's so many that you can use and really just make something unique and your own. So really go all out, try something and, you know, use all the images that you can find and just make it your own, make it cool. And there you go. Now you have this cool background that you can use to make yourself unique and create a Zoom background. I know does not exist because it's all from you. So what I'm going to do is delete the save area. And now you're able to download this background. So what you're going to do is go up here and to your right, hit download. Keep it as is, keep the size as is because when we started with a Zoom background template. So you don't have to worry about size. And then you hit download. Let Canva do its thing, and there you go. You're done. Your image is downloaded. I have to say, please like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you enjoy my content. It really motivates me to make content that you want, you need, that helps you be more creative, and show you softwares that maybe you haven't used before, and you know, just try something new and make something that's yours. So I never end without saying, thanks for watching.